Hi, and welcome to the third section of this course, Building the Code and Configuring the Build Pipeline. This section describes in detail how to create the pipelines of different jobs for a sample Java Enterprise Edition Java EE application. It will also cover the deployment of an application to a local web or application server and the configuration of a build pipeline for the life cycle of continuous integration. This way, Jenkins users can model application delivery pipelines as the code. Once we make it into code, we can store in a code repository and it can be managed in a better way. An important benefit is collaboration. As it can be stored in version control, different teams can reuse it for different operations based on the environment. Readers will learn how to manage the life cycle of continuous integration, including pulling code from a code repository, building the code, executing unit tests, and static code analysis using different jobs. The section will demonstrate the following topics: the built-in delivery pipelines of Jenkins 2, build pipeline configuration for end-to-end automation for managing the lifecycle of continuous integration, deploying a WAR file from Jenkins to a local Tomcat server. Now we will see the first video of section 3, creating built-in delivery pipelines. In this video, we will learn how to create delivery pipelines using a domain-specific language, DSL. First, go to the Jenkins dashboard and click on New Item. Enter an item name, say Pet Clinic-Pipeline, and select Pipeline, and click on OK. In case you have an existing pipeline available, you can create a new pipeline by copying from it. Go to Advanced Project Options. For the purpose of learning, input echo Hello from Pipeline Demo in the script box. Then, click on Save to save the configuration. As we haven't created any stage, we will get a warning message like in the screen. However, we can execute the pipeline for demo purposes. Click on the Build Now. Verify the console output. We can see the script execution completing successfully. Creating scripts. Let's go step by step and learn how we can create a script. To make things easier, refer to the pipeline DSL reference or use Snippet Generator. Select the checkbox and then select a sample step. Provide specific parameters required by the step and click on Generate Groovy. Creating a Groovy script to build a job. Here's how to create a Groovy script to build a job. It triggers a new downstream job to build. Build a job. Project to build, Pet Clinic-compile. Parameters, none. Other configurations, default. Creating a build step to publish test reports. Creating a build step is used to configure post-build actions or in general build steps that are pipeline compatible based on the drop-down list. Step, general build setup. Build step, publish JUnit test results report. Test report XMLs. Target, surefire-reports, test.xml. Other configurations, default. Archiving build job artifacts. To archive build job artifacts, use these parameters. Archive artifacts. This includes artifacts using a comma-separated list matching Ant style pattern for archiving artifacts. This excludes artifacts using a comma-separated list matching Ant style pattern for not archiving artifacts. Running a build step on a node. To run a build step on a specific node, we need to write a script. Use Snippet Generator and select the sample step node and select the slave node label. Then, click on Generate Groovy. Node. Allocate node. Label. The label associated with slave node. For more details on master-slave nodes in Jenkins 2. Marking the definite steps of a build job. We will now create a Groovy script to mark definite sections of a build job as being controlled by limited concurrency. Stage, stage, stage name, compile, test, or deploy. Other configurations, default. Awesome, we have successfully created a built-in delivery pipeline.